With a strong desire and good people skills, did you not know that you could own $1 million business in 1 year or less with minimal financial investment capital? It's true. Ordinary people are now proud owners of an extraordinary business which offers immediate cash flow and unlimited revenue-generating possibilities. A business that does not require a college degree, specialized career skills, or experience. A business that any American 21 years or older can own if they're willing to pursue the American dream.